Hello, math detectives. Welcome. I am so glad you're here. We've got a huge mystery on our hands, full of secret codes and number patterns, and you know what? We're going to need your brilliant detective brains to help us solve it.
So, are you ready to solve a super secret number mystery? Yeah? I thought so. Okay, let's dive right in. Our first case is waiting.
All right, first up, cracking the number code. This is our first mission. It might look a little tricky, but you know, every good detective knows the first step is to look for clues. And trust me, this code is packed with them. Let's check it out together.
Okay, here's the code. We've got 7 minus 2 equals 5. Then 7 minus 3 equals 4. And then, whoa, a big old blank space, a missing piece of the puzzle. After that, it says 7 minus 5 equals 2. So our mission is to figure out what goes right there in that blank. Let's get to work, detectives.
All right, detectives, look really, really close. Do you see a pattern? I do. It's our first clue. Check out the very first number in every single line. It's always a 7. That's a huge clue. So, what does that mean? It means our missing sentence has to start with a 7 too. Awesome.
Okay, now for our second clue. This is a good one. Let's look at the numbers we're taking away. We see a 2, then a 3, then our mystery spot, and then a 5. So it goes 2, 3, something, 5. What number do you think is missing? What comes right after 3 and before 5?
That's it! It's 4!
Okay, let's put these clues together. Here are our detective steps. 1. We found the first pattern, it's always 7. 2. We found the second pattern. The numbers go 2, 3, 4, 5. So if we fill in the blanks, our mystery problem has to be 7 minus 4. So what is 7 minus 4? If you have 7 things and you take 4 of them away, what are you left with? Let's find out.
It's 3. Yes! Amazing work. We totally cracked the code. The whole sentence is 7 minus 4 equals 3. You guys are fantastic pattern detectives. Okay, let's see what our next clue is.
All right, time to solve a clue together. For this next part, you're not just watching. Nope, you are my official detective partner. We're going to solve this next one as a team. You ready?
Okay, partner, here's our next clue. It asks, what is 3 less than 6? Less than. That sounds like a secret code word, doesn't it? Let's figure out what it means.
So to crack this code, let's start with 6 fun objects. Imagine we have 6 shiny apples right here. Now, when a clue says less than, that's just a secret way of saying we need to take some away or count backwards. So we're starting with 6.
Okay, the clue wants 3 less than 6. That means we need to count back 3 times. Let's do it one step at a time. Ready? If we start at 6 and count back just 1, where do we land? 5, exactly. So 1 less than 6 is 5.
Perfect. That's 1 time. Now let's count back a second time. So 1 more back from 5 is 4. You got it. So that means 2 less than 6 is 4. We are so close.
All right, we needed to count back 3 times. We've done it twice, so let's take that third and final step back, 1 more back from 4, and we land on 3. Yes, we did it, partner. 3 less than 6 is 3.
So there you have it. We cracked the code. That phrase less than is just a fancy way to say take away or count back. See? It's not so tricky once you know the secret.
So yeah, the final answer is 3. That was some fantastic teamwork, detective. You are getting really, really good at this. So good, in fact, that I think you're ready for a mission all on your own.
Okay, detective, this is it. It's time for your own detective mission. You've learned how to spot patterns, you've cracked secret codes, now it's your turn to solve a clue all by yourself. I totally know you can do this.
Here is your mission. Listen closely. The clue says 9 is 3 more than, and then a blank. Now this one's a little different. It's kind of tricky. It might be trying to trick you, but I know you are way too smart for that.
All right, detective, it's your turn to think. Take a nice deep breath, read that clue one more time. What is it really asking? I'm going to be quiet for just a couple seconds and let you put on your detective thinking cap.
Okay, you got an answer in your head? Let's see how we can solve it. This clue is tricky because it's kinda backwards.
when it says 9 is 3 more than what number, that's really just a secret code for asking some number plus 3 equals 9, right? So to find that secret number, we just have to do the opposite of adding. And what's the opposite of adding? It's taking away. So we can just flip this whole thing around and do 9 minus 3. Let's count back 3 from 9. Ready? 8, 7, 6.
The answer is 6. Did you get 6? I bet you did. That is amazing detective work. 9 is 3 more than 6. You solved your mission. I am so proud of you.
Wow, you did it! You solved the mystery! What an adventure! You cracked a number code, you learned a secret math phrase, and you solved a tricky clue all by yourself. Congratulations, Math Detective!
So now you've got some awesome new tools for your detective toolkit. Just remember, always look for number patterns. Less than is just a secret code for counting back. And those tricky more than questions, you can solve them by taking away. And you know, the more you practice, the better math whiz you'll be.
You did such a fantastic job today. Seriously, you should be super proud. Now, keep your detective eyes open because there are number mysteries all around you. What patterns and codes will you solve next? Thanks for all your help cracking the case today.